What is Singer oil? Hey engineering enthusiasts, have you ever seen a little bottle like this? Maybe you don't know what this is, but it was widely used in equipment like very old sewing machines. Or maybe you've seen an oil bottle like this on one of those machines while playing around with the sewing machine pedal. And just to clarify once and for all, this is Singer oil. And yes, it's pronounced like the English word singer, not with a Portuguese-style pronunciation. But we'll come back to that topic later. So what exactly is Singer oil? It's a high-quality lubricating oil, widely used in sewing machines and other precision mechanical devices. Originally, it was developed by Singer, which is one of the most renowned sewing machine manufacturers in the world, with a history dating back to the 19th century. Its main function was to reduce friction between the moving parts of the sewing machine, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. By reducing friction, it prevented premature wear of the parts and extended the lifespan of the machine. But in addition to that, it also prevented corrosion, protecting the metal components against oxidation and the buildup of rust. And since it has low viscosity, this allowed it to easily penetrate hard-to-reach areas of the machine, ensuring uniform lubrication. Another important characteristic is its purity, which means it doesn't leave residues or dirt buildup, keeping the machine clean and working properly. To apply it, it is recommended to use just a few drops of the product on the areas indicated by the sewing machine manufacturer. And it's important not to overdo the amount, because too much oil can end up attracting dust and other debris, and then you get the opposite effect of lubrication. And that's why it's better to use a small amount of oil more often than to put a lot of oil at once and forget to lubricate. But wait a minute, I had already heard that it was called Singer because they were used in sewing machines that made a constant noise as if they were singing, and that's why it was called Singer, which means singer in English. Actually, that's a myth. Singer oil got its name in honor of the Singer brand, one of the oldest and most respected sewing machine manufacturers in the world. The Singer Company was founded in 1850-1951 by Isaac Merritt Singer, who gave the company his own name, and it quickly became synonymous with quality and innovation in the sewing machine industry. From the beginning, it stood out for producing machines that were not only efficient, but also durable and easy to use. The need to keep these machines in perfect working condition led to the development of a specific lubricant that could meet the demands of the delicate and precise moving parts of sewing machines. Over time, Singer oil established itself as the quality standard in the sewing machine lubricant market, both for its effectiveness and for the trust the brand inspired in consumers. But can I only use this oil in sewing machines? Well, with the success of Singer oil, it ended up not being limited to just sewing machines. Its effectiveness and versatility also made it popular among users of other brands and types of precision equipment, further consolidating the Singer name as a synonym for excellence in lubrication. Although it is known for its applications in sewing machines, its use extends to various other equipment and precision devices, where lubrication plays a crucial role in the maintenance and performance of these items. For example, this type of oil is used in watches, where it lubricates the mechanical, complex, and delicate mechanisms that regulate time. Except for digital watches, the watches we know as high-precision analog watches have a series of gears and small moving parts that need proper lubrication to work correctly and prevent wear. And it turned out that this Singer oil became ideal for this because of its ability to penetrate the tiniest parts and provide smooth lubrication without leaving residues that could compromise the watch's operation. It can also be used in electronic devices such as cameras, computers, and audio equipment. It is widely used to lubricate mechanical components and electrical contacts which can suffer from friction and wear over time. In cameras, for example, it can be used in zoom and focusing mechanisms, which also have gears and contacts that generate internal friction. In computers, it can be used to lubricate coolers and some moving components, where proper lubrication helps prevent overheating and ensures stable performance. It is even used in musical instruments, especially those that have moving or mechanical parts, such as pianos and organs. To ensure and maintain a smooth touch and precise mechanism action, Singer oil is also used. In the case of pianos, for example, the oil is applied to the parts that operate the keys and hammers, helping to maintain a consistent touch and prevent unwanted noises. But in addition to these uses, Singer oil can also be found in other industrial and precision applications, as well as some tools that have moving parts, like this caliper. But because it has a low viscosity, it is not suitable for all types of lubrication, and in some cases it is necessary to use oils with higher viscosity, or even greases. If you've made it this far and enjoyed the video, take the opportunity to subscribe if you haven't already, leave a like and turn on the notification bell. And if you find our content interesting, consider becoming a member to help us keep producing this kind of content here on the platform and to be featured alongside our videos. And if you're looking for professional growth, I'll leave a link down below where you'll find several opportunities to develop various skills that will make a difference both in your personal and professional life. Do you have a small bottle like this at home? Have you seen this at your grandmother's house? Do you have oil like this at home? Tell me in the comments. Here on the side, there are 2 interesting video options that you need to watch to expand your knowledge and explore your curiosity. And if you want to support us, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and consider becoming a channel member. That's it. Engineering lovers, big hugs, and I'll see you in the next video.